construction has begun. I got underneath here and found some screws, some real small nuts and bolts. They were hard to get to, but they were holding this cushion on, and it's going to come out. Not only am I going to recover it, but I'm afraid that when the engine comes out, this is going to get damaged, and we want to keep this as nice as possible. So I saved you a lot of the boring stuff with me underneath there, cursing my head off, but I'll show you the end result. And this is what's on the back, besides some stink bugs. It looks like just painted plywood. It doesn't look like it's in bad shape. I might be able to reuse that. One thing that isn't real good is the fact that they used, looks like galvanized roofing nails to attach the material to the wood. So we'll have to see how that comes off, and if there's any rot or soft spots. So I may end up having to make a new one, we'll see. The fiberglass here, now we probably won't use the same holes, but what those stink bugs do put off a lot of odor. So let's put this up over here. Now, this thing is definitely going to be the bane of my existence if I don't get it out of here. And just trying to get to the engine bolts and on the transom is going to be next to impossible. So I took the screws out down here at the bottom, and not sure how much persuasion it's going to have to take to get it out of there. Might have to take some of the stuff in back, the tilt trim and that sort of thing. I don't know if I can wiggle it enough or not, but no, I see the problem. These finished pieces here on the end are keeping us from doing anything, so they're going to have to come out. So that'll be another video. All right, bye for now. So last time, you may remember, I loosened up all the screws to get this panel out. Again, the overall objective is to get said engine out of here so I can redo the deck, the stringers and so forth. So I loosened up all the screws for here, and I can't get it out because of the nice trim wood down there on the bottom. So you follow the trim wood, and lo and behold, it runs all the way up past the seat. So that piece is going to have to come out, and so did the seat. It was kind of heavy, and I'll show it to you in a second. I find as I get older and I have less and less help around, I can get everything I need done. But number one, it takes longer. Number two, it costs more money with lifting equipment and so forth. So I was able to get it out. I do want to show you this while we're here. A while back, I pointed at this and gave a best of video as I could. But this is a hole that I had cut under the seat. And you want to talk about rotten wood. I mean, the stringers are just junk. So this is a stringer right here. This is the aluminum gas tank, and honestly, I didn't even bother to unscrew the seat from its mounts. I just pushed it twice and it came right off, and of course there's a mess underneath of it. So getting it out of here wasn't the easiest thing. I put a blanket up over the top, tied the rope to my crane, and over it went, and there it is on the ground. I'm hoping that a Mark Twain enthusiast will want this for a restoration. Some people are really into keeping everything original. You can see this boat came with some real nice cabinetry. It looks, well, it looks dated if you ask me. But, you know, it's a nice idea, but in reality, this cabinet takes up a whole lot of room. And yeah, the refrigerator, I don't know if it works. I don't really care because it's pretty gross inside. 40-year-old refrigerators generally aren't the best thing to have on your boat. So the captain's seat's coming out next, and you know, we'll get this thing going. All right, that's about it for tonight. I figured you might like to see just how rotten the floor is and how easy things are to get up. And you watch, this will fight me. But basically just working these things under the corners. And there, that's one side. Alright, so that was quick and easy to get that side off. Now I've got a gas line over here, so I better make sure that's all right. All right, for you gluttons for punishment that are still watching this crap. So this is the seat tilted back. The door fell off the refrigerator, no loss there. But the bottom of this seat base has begun deteriorating, and it left a good bit down here. But nothing that you don't expect, but figured you might like to see what was underneath the captain's chair. Bye for now. All right, sorry if this is a little shaky because we're handheld, but when you work on old boats, you find really interesting things. This is the hose that I was telling you about, and it goes underneath the trim wood, and it goes out the boat there. So I unscrewed everything, and this is a little adapter, and you can see that is completely plugged with something. This may be the condensate drain from the refrigerator. I still haven't pulled it off yet, but that's what I suspect. But whatever it is, this thing has not worked in a long time.